end of the night. Was this fun?
And the doors open towards you.
Here we go. Now, where is he? Come on, you gotta be somewhere, pal. Is that? I don't know what that was. Where are you? Gotta find you before you get eaten. Ha ha! Gotcha! Oh! What are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here! Wait! Don't get out of here! I could use a hand. My little pal Groot is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found his tiny little heat signature, see? All those other heat signatures are... well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift.
Once on board, please remain seated with your restraints securely fastened.
Keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times.
And please watch your Terran children.
Start with row 3, come on in, first row 3, you'll be on the top right. Then row 4, come on in, top left. Top left. Thank you. Row 4, go ahead, follow back there. Row 4, row 2, we want
see a scary creature, scream real loud and look delicious. Oh, crap. Wave your arms. You.
We do hope you've enjoyed our tour. Please gather your purse souvenirs.